Woodworking is a fun and rewarding hobby, but to get started, you'll need a few basic tools. In this video, we'll be covering some of the most essential woodworking tools and their uses. First up is the saw. There are many different types of saws, but for beginners, a hand saw or a jigsaw will do the trick. A hand saw is used for cutting straight lines, while a jigsaw is great for cutting curves and irregular shapes. Next is the hammer. A hammer is essential for assembling your projects, whether you're using nails or wood glue. A hammer allows you to drive nails or brads into wood securely, and hold your projects together. Another essential tool is a drill. A drill can be used to make holes for screws or nails, and can also be used to drive screws and other fasteners. This tool will save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to assembling your projects. To ensure that your projects are accurate and precise, you'll need a measuring tape. A measuring tape is used to measure the length, width, and depth of the pieces of wood, and will help you to cut them to the right size. With these basic tools, you can create a wide variety of projects, from small items like birdhouses and picture frames, to larger items like bookshelves and tables. Remember that safety is always first, and take your time to learn the proper use of each tool before starting any project. So grab your tools and start building. Remember to take your time, be safe, and have fun. Happy woodworking!